Let's start the revision, right? So today we will do the revise the diagrams, right, beta? Right? First, I'm going to make the male reproductive system. Is that clear? So let's start with this. Try to make it look here how we have to draw. First, we will draw like this. Look here. Look here. From here. Like this. Now, from here, like this, and from here, like this. Right? Yes. Now, this is what? Scrotum. What is the function of the scrotum? Protects the testes. Why testes are outside of the male body? They need 2 to 3 degree less temperature than the normal body temperature. Right? Scrotum is a muscular pouch which protects the testes. This is testes. Right? Testes produces which hormone help? Yes. Then this is epididymis. Epididymis. What is the function of epididymis? It stores the sperms for a short, temporary, right? Then this tube, look here, this tube, it will carry the, so this is called sperm duct because it carries the sperm. Or other name of sperm duct is vas deferens. Other name of this sperm duct is? Yes. It carries the sperm from here to this side. Now these three are the glands. This is seminal, seminal vesicle. This is prostate gland. And this is Cowper's gland. We will not do separately like that. Just try to understand these glands will provide the semen as well as nourishment to the sperm. Right? Seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cowper's gland, these provide the semen as well as the nourishment to the sperm so that they will become remain active. Right? Now, when the sperms are moving here like this, and here, what is here? This is urinary Urinary bladder will carry the urine. That's why this duct is called urethra, because it carries urine. And outside this, this is again the muscular, that is the penis. This is what? Male reproductive system. Do it. If any doubt is there again, then you can ask. It's okay. Better, much better, beta. Right. If anyone is having any doubt, ask. Now we will make the female reproductive system. Right? So let's start. First, what you will make like this, draw like this. Draw like this. Right? All of you now see from here like this. Done, bete? From here, nahi, I'm just making it, bete. Right? Now, do like this. From here also, do like this. Right, bache? Look here now. From here, like this. Like this. And after that, but first you use light pencil. Right? Then look here. From here, from this side. Look here, from this side. And join this from this side. And join this. Yes. What is this? Fallopian tube. And what is the other name of the fallopian tube? Okay, fallopian tube. And this is called oviduct. Why this is called oviduct? It carries the ovum that is released by ovaries. So what is this? This. Acha, we had not done. Let it be. Now this is ovary. These are ligaments, ovarian ligaments. This is uterus. This point is cervix. And here it is vagina. Is it clear, bete? Fallopian tube, this is ovary. They will produce the eggs or the ovum and it will move towards the right fallopian tube or oviduct and it will comes over here in the uterus. Right? This opening is called cervix and this is vagina. Is it clear? Note it down. Note it down, bete.